Kailangan isi-set lang yung bola.
Kailangan mabilis at a certain point, palalampasin mo konti sa net.
Yes.
Hindi pwedeng nandun pa sa kabilang side. Upakan mo na. Galit ngayon si Dindin. Pumalo. Pantone reaches for it. Ruby De Leon jump set. Valdez dropping a message.
And Valdez, she has really mastered that, yung drop shots niya. Why? Again, because of court awareness. Alam niya palagi kung saan niya
Sabi
dadalhin.
dito ni Tina Sala, kailangan daw magkakasama sila sa hirap at sa ginhawa. At sinabi din niya, they have to play more energetic than the PLDT team at kailangan kasi makuha nila yung momentum nila sa larong ito. 7-0.
They need energy to stop a really pumped up Eliza Valdez, who now scores off the double block. It is currently 6 against 9. Watch this.
And this is so powerful that even went through a triple block. Open eh.
Mga Santiago Sisters, may mga bagong kaibigan. Ruby De Leon at Tina Salak. No?
Yep.
Tala. Gonzaga muffled. Back row strike. Valdez.
You know, that was already well read by the Philippine Army. Nandun na yung block eh. Kaya lang tumalsik in no coverage. Dun sa side na yun ng Philippine
Ito
Army.
na itago.
Triple block nang nag-ready dun sa palo ni Valdez. Nabasa na.
At saka ang ganda ng form, parang nag-form ng triangle eh, no? Pasaran na eh. Salak. Ay, wala. Wala. Mali ang takbo ng play. Macro! Nagkagulo! Valdez gives them the lead!
Once again, ando na naman yung triple block. Pero Valdez is just so unstoppable.
5 straight points by PLD.
Minsan kasi yung mga little things that you bring in the team,
It's not
nagiging
really-
importante.
yeah, it's not just the
It's not
scoring,
the scoring. Lalo na depensa si Charo.
Then muzzled. Becomes a set for Valdez. Triple team to no avail.
That's what you're talking about. Eliza Valdez, no fear on that triple block. That deserves a second look. Ang tatangkad pa naman eh. Pero nakakuha pa rin ng maliit na ali. Kenita.
Almost down the line. Ano nangyari? Oo. Naloko si Pantone dun eh. 2021. Ayun na naman. Tinaas. Andun pala si Balde. Nice stretch by Gonzaga, who did something like that in game 1. Mali basa. Mali bilang.
Sayang because so far Valdez with 12 points already. Santiago, that's Jaja with 8. Soriano and Roses with 3 each. On the other side, it's Balsi with 8. Gonzaga with 7. Manabat with 4. And Bautista with 5. So, ang itatrabahuin na lang nung kalaban, 15 points na lamang. Diba?
Oo nga. On the average per set, no? Tama nga yan, tama yan. In the meantime, Eliza's trying to keep herself interested, no? Yung tanang hindi mag-drag down sa kanya yung bigat ng pressure ng laro. Tatlo kayo, hulugan ko kayo.
Siguro yung angulong pagkakita or ganyan. Pero dapat kahit it won't bother the player or the team.
Their own.
Oh, nice sharp serve.
Valdez is angled away.
Oh, but the second serving, Valdez through the blockers of the Philippine Army. Once again, yung respeto kay Valdez. Tatlong blockers, partner. Hindi rin madali sa Philippine Army yun.
It is 23-15. PLDT is 2 points away from forcing the rubber match. Valdez.
And Eliza Valdez. Once again, taking the point in spite of ball blockers in front of her. Ibang level din ang nilaro ni Eliza in this game. Napakahirap. Why? Because the defense was focused on her.